Welcome. If you're watching this video, chances are you're someone who wants to start working out but feels like you don't have the time. Between work, family, and other obligations, it can be hard to find the time to fit in a workout. But, the truth is, it's possible to make it work, no matter how busy your schedule is. One of the best ways to fit in a workout when you have a busy day is to get up earlier. Setting your alarm for 30 minutes earlier than usual can give you enough time for a quick workout before you start your day. Whether it's a run outside, a yoga session, or a quick bodyweight workout, you'll be amazed at how much better you'll feel after starting your day with a little exercise. Another great way to fit in a workout when you're busy is to multitask. You can do squats or lunges while on a phone call, or even march in place during a meeting. Incorporating small bursts of activity throughout the day can add up and make a big difference in your overall fitness level. You don't need a gym membership or expensive equipment to get in a good workout. Bodyweight exercises, like squats, push-ups, and planks, can be done anywhere and are a great way to get in a quick and effective workout when you're short on time. Working out with a friend or a partner can also help you stay motivated and on track. Having someone to hold you accountable can make it easier to stick to your workout schedule, even on the busiest of days. And if all else fails, there's always the option of working out at home with a workout video. From yoga to cardio to strength training, there are countless workout videos available online that can guide you through a workout in the comfort of your own home. Remember, when it comes to working out, every little bit counts. Whether it's a quick workout in the morning, a few bodyweight exercises during your lunch break, or a full workout at home, taking the time to move your body will make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. So, don't let a busy schedule hold you back from reaching your fitness goals. With a little bit of creativity and motivation, you can make it happen. I hope this video has been helpful in showing you that it is possible to fit in a workout, even when you have a busy schedule. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to reaching your fitness goals. Start small, and find ways to incorporate activity into your daily routine. Whether it's a quick workout in the morning, a few bodyweight exercises during your lunch break, or a full workout at home, taking the time to move your body will make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fitness and health tips. Leave a comment below with your favorite tip from this video or let us know what other fitness-related topics you would like us to cover in the future.